Hey folks, yeah, my name is Dwayne Baldwin. This is my Tinker's Mentality channel, and my channel isn't about anything specific, because I do such a wide variety of things. I'm no professional about anything. I watch a lot of YouTube videos to learn how to do things, and then I'm still kind of winging it. But I sure appreciate y'all watching. Press the like button. You like what you see if you're learning something. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell icon over there and get notifications every time I put a video up. I'm kind of sporadic about putting them up because I have other things going on besides just this boat project. But anyways, subscribe to my channel, help support it. Thank you. Have a good day. Leave a comment down below. Have a good day. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it.